Sa'n cael sgwr ys i dod hwnna?
Fi,
Ie.
dydw i ddim yn moyn sgori cais yn y gêm na, achos fi edrych ymlaen i ti.
O, reit.
4.
Allez Quinnell!
Ar ôl ennill y gêm ar erbyn Fiji lawr yn Bodo, fi yn neis nawr. O, mae Portugal nesa. Fi dod i market y bore yma, a fi timlo fel Rick Stein. And, grapes. Fi hoffi grapes yn y botl. Wel, dydw i ddim yn gwybod, ond mae lot o vampires yn neis, fi'n meddwl. Pai toucho. Sebon yw hwn, ond yn Ffrainc, safon. Beth ti'n meddwl? Ffenestri, rwe. Dydw i ddim yn dweud dim. Hello, how are you? One soccer, please. Merci beaucoup. Thank you. Right, wel mae hwn yn soccer. Oh. Hey, Nige, mae hwn yn soccer. Ble di dod o? Yr un aman? Fel Shane. Where are you from?
Welsh boy. Well, Sydney, Australia.
Sydney, oh. Right, beth yw hyn ydi? Mark o Llanelli. Do you see the game?
Yes.
Brilliant game, wasn't it?
Tough game, wasn't it?
Oh, it was that. It was. Nice to see you. Where are you from?
I'm actually from Miami.
From Miami?
Augustine, but I used to, we came from Hoyt.
Hoyt, oh, lovely. Oh, Hoyt balls. Ble di dod yna?
O Llun.
O Llun Brent yna? O, fi'n hapus. Fi'n mynd I gweld ffrindiau Pwllheli. Well, I'm supporting Wales, but you're supporting?
Yeah, All Black.
The All Blacks. Sorry, I'm Scott.
Tyler.
Taylor.
Annie.
Annie, nice to meet you.
Allez Quinnell!
Right, mae'r hen ffrind. Dim hen ffrind.
Dim hen,
Dim ond ffrind. Dim ond ffrind. Sut i cans?
Good. Joio bywyd.
O, da iawn. Ei, beth ti'n meddwl ar y gêm o Fiji da?
Wel, oedd gwallt fi cyn I fi cael gêm Fiji, ond oedd hi'n gêm mor gyffroes, mor agos. A fi'n credu falle, ta hwnna dechreuad cwpan y byd.
Yeah.
Achos gemau cynni, o'n nhw'n gymarol un ochrog fel petai.
Yeah.
Ond nawr, gyda'r gêm na mor agos, reit tan y diwedd, a ddi mor gyffroes, mor gorfforol, a just gwych.
Mae nhw yn mae yn quick, mae nhw yn galed, mae nhw yn redeg. Mae'n bert I gweld yn dweud.
Odi, maen nhw chwarae rygbi perffaith, ond dwi ddim am I nhw ennill penwythnos nesaf, achos os yn y llwn y penwythnos nesaf, mae popeth yn y fantol, mae'r grŵp unwaith eto yn y fantol, a mae rhaid I Gymru wedyn falle ennill yn erbyn Australia.
Yeah. So, di Sul, ti cael Australia shirt arno?
Ydw, Cris Australia yn mynd I fod arno gyda fi, a dim yn aml yn gweud na, byddai'n canu Waltzing Matilda, a wedyn ar ôl y gêm byddai'n cefnogi Fiji.
Dydw I ddim yn neud e. O, na. Eddie Jones, Australia.
Fi'n gwybod.
Ond, ti'n reit. Australia.
A Cymru'n gorfod o gyntaf, ydw.
Ond, Portugal gyntaf. Ti a fi yn chwarae Portugal yn 94.
A fi'n credu wariwn I Portugal, Sbaen, Romania a'r Eidal. Felly, rwy'n I lan erbyn Portugal a dywyson hwreng ôl fwyaf fi'n credu mae Cymru yn ei gael. Ti fel wythwr, Hemi fel rhi 6 a fi fel rhi 7. O, craic.
Mawr iawn.
O, ie. A beth oedd hi? 102
102, 16 cais. Ti cael cais?
Na, nes I nhw gyd. Na. Ie, fi'n gwybod. Dim yn sgori cais na. A dwi ddim yn rhif 7.
Ydy. Diolch yn fawr. Neis i gweld di, neis i gweld di. Hei, tarw mawr.
Scott mawr.
Allez Quinnell!
So you'll be travelling around, have you?
Yeah.
For Judith's birthday? Pembroke Apis. What's Eddie Jones done for Australia?
Oh, it's good. It's got a secret tactic.
Secret tactic.
Oh, he had the rugby fan where.
Ah, brill.
Gonna have to do better.
Better than what? Come on, Wales! Da iawn ti. Aussie. There we are. So how are we going to do it on this weekend against Fiji?
We're gonna thrash them.
And you had a pint with my dad and his mates, Dai Twin and John Twin. Dai Twin, John Twin, if you're watching this, right, you owe my dad a pint. That's all I'm saying. But good luck to you all lot as well.
Thank you very much.
See you in the quarter-final. See you in the quarter-final. We'll pack your bags for you. It'll be fine. There we are. Hopefully we'll see you in the final.
Yeah, hopefully.
Right.
Yeah.
Have a fantastic trip.
Allez Quinnell!
Right, diwn ni di Hyw,
Hugh Davis,
ond mae nhw'n...
pob un yn galw fi'n Butch.
Butch.
Ie, llai beth y gweithio ti ar
Na?
pethau mae'n rhy delicate.
Beth yw enw di?
Dyfrig.
Dyfrig, nes i gweld ti.
Enfys.
Enfys. O, beth yw Enfys?
Well, rainbow.
O! Mae Berthr yw e. O, fi'n carry on. Beth di'n hoffi am nis te?
Yr hael.
Mae neis yn neis.
So Jack, this is how you make the famous Aperol Spritz.
Yeah.
And what is it?
Aperol, sparkling, water,
Sparkling water.
and Prosecco. And Prosecco.
Prosecco. Prosecco. Fi'n hoffi's Prosecco.
Wan y teg i Cymru, taclo nhw i socks off.
O, maen nhw yn, ydyn nhw.
A fi'n credu gall Fiji troi Australia drosto.
Oedd e'r un mor galed yn edrych ar y gêm ac oedd e ar y ca, fi'n credu.
Mae pawb yn dweud mae nhw moyn Australia yn ennill.
Fi'n deall hwnna, fi'n deall y resymeg tu ôl i hwnna.
Mae dwi ddim yn moyn Australia yn ennill o gwbl.
Beth?
Na.
Mae atgofion gyda ti o taith y llewod, oes e?
Oh, paid
Atgofio.
nawr! Oh, can drink back. 2 point, best player in the world.
Sure.
Yes. You come on, you win. Galles, chance?
No, yeah, right.
Chance?
French, Wales in final.
I'll take that. Diolch yn fawr.
Allez Quinnell!
Right, wedi yma gyda ffrind Sean Holly. Welcome i Nice.
Diolch.
Ti siarad, ti yn siarad tipyn bach o Gymraeg. Ti yn dysgu, dydi?
Ie, hwn peti, tipyn bach. Roeddwn i'n dysgu Cymraeg yn y llyfrgell yn Angomafon ym Mortolfa Gatra fi. Ond collais hyder.
Pam ni?
Sarah Elgan used to come up when I was prif ddefforddol yn y gweill, Stadiwm Liberty, gêm yn mynd o flaen i. Ask me a few questions. First 1 or 2, okay. Second one, I'd be like, oh, ateb yn Saesneg os gwelch yna.
Yeah.
But what actually happened, mate, was I was playing cricket in Pontardawe and I was learning, genuinely learning. And a fella came up to me and said, Sean, don't ever speak Welsh on TV again. You're embarrassing the Welsh language. And honestly, collais hyder. Just
Siomedig ydi. Siomedig. Ydi dweud i Sean dim yn siarad i gwbl. Shame i ti. Right? Ie, neud iaith y daith. Right.
Iaith y daith,
Fi'n cael ffonio nhw yn iaith y daith. Iaith y daith. Right. How are you finding France?
Oh, my God. It's sensational. The weather is fantastic.
I ordered this today.
There's people everywhere. A lot of Welshies around.
Beautiful.
So, joyo.
So, what a game. What a game on Sunday. What do you make of that?
Do you know, I didn't enjoy watching it. I didn't. I was excited for the game. I thought Wales would win. But you know what? We've been in situations before where momentum in games changes. But the boys did it. The boys played well, you know, in patches. The first 20 minutes after the second half, I thought Dan Bigger, Liam Williams stepped up, controlled the game. And then at 14 points clear, you think, can we seal it? Can we close it out? But they're so dangerous, aren't they? This game on Dydd Sadwrn is massive, right? Australia, because, you know, Fiji could not easily, but they could win that game.
Pwy di mo'n ennill ar Dydd Sadwrn? Fiji neu Australia?
I don't normally support Australia. I don't particularly like Eddie Jones, but I want Australia to win. Why? I do, mate. But why? Because it becomes a little bit easier for us.
I know.
You know?
I know.
Whichever way, I want us to qualify, and I want us to play England in the quarter-final.
Yeah.
Well,
the way it's going at the moment, we may get Argentina. And I can't see Argentina playing that badly again.
They were poor. That was the most disappointing performance because, you know, really that could have made their World Cup. But they still have a chance in their group. It's not done and dusted, mind, because Japan aren't the same team as 4 years ago. But Samoa, you know, last up, that's not going to be an easy game.
I'm looking forward to that one.
Yeah.
Because they played against Ireland the other day. They were absolutely outstanding. Right, last question we do. How far are Wales going? Who's going to win?
I'm going to say Wales will get to the semi-final.
Right.
I am going to say that. I fancy us in the quarter-final. Just getting there is the issue.
Yeah.
And I think now, watching that France performance, mate, with the players they were missing, and the home support, I think it's France.
France. Right. Diolch yn fawr, Sean. Diolch yn fawr.
Good to see you.
Gweld ti.